A PowerPoint presentation is as much about delivering our content as it is about representing who we are as a person or brand. The slide master is where all that magic happens. Let's start a new presentation and make it awesome, just like the Consus template. To open the slide master, go to View tab, then Slide Master. The slide master is a collection of template slides that define the overall look and feel of your presentation. This is where you reflect the visual identity of your brand by your choice of colors and fonts. You also build the basic structure of your slides by how you lay out the various elements such as titles and content. Let's start customizing our slide master. The first thing to do is decide on a slide size. Go to Slide Master tab, then Slide Size. The usual options are 4x3 or 16x9, but custom sizes can be defined. Office comes with some predefined themes, so you can select one of those by going to Slide Master tab, then Themes. Decide on an existing theme and you already have a good-looking, though generic, presentation. However, if you want to make it truly yours, more fun is on the way. Let's start with our choice of fonts. Go to Slide Master tab and select Fonts, then Customize Fonts at the bottom. Pick a font for the titles and a font for the content. Usually, the title font is a lighter font than the content font. See how the fonts on the layout have already changed? If we close the Slide Master to go back to content, you'll see that the actual presentation has also changed to reflect our choice of fonts. This works because the slides in our presentation are based on the layouts in the Slide Master. If the colors in the color picker are not suitable for our presentation, we can select another existing color theme. The colors we select here will be reflected in the Slide Master and in the presentation itself. For a truly customized feel, we can define our own color theme. On the Slide Master tab, select Colors and then Customize Colors. Now you can define 2 pairs of text colors and 6 accent colors that will be used throughout your presentation. Any element based on one of these color slots will change its color automatically, and this is where you can already begin to see the role of the Slide Master. If you don't know the RGB color of a given color, you can find it by creating a shape and filling it with the eyedropper tool, then going to Shape Fill and More Colors. Few brands use more than 3 colors, so it's a good idea to use complementary colors for the remaining slots. Pay attention to the luminance and saturation of the main brand colors. Some brands are more colorful, others are more muted. Name your color theme and save it. On the master layout, you can also put some graphical elements that give your presentation personality. These elements will show up on all layouts in this master. We'll add a little K for Consus in the top left corner. This sends the message that we are there when our customers need us, but we are also out of the way. Now move to the layouts in the Slide Master and notice how all the placeholders follow the design that was set on the master layout. If we need a layout to be a little different, such as a cover slide, we can click Hide Background Graphics. Generally, a presentation needs the following layouts: cover slide, which is the first slide in the presentation, agenda for listing the sections of the presentation, a title slide for separating main sections of the presentation, a slide for general content, 2-column content slide, comparison slide, and a picture and text slide, usually showing a chart and some comments. Other layouts may be needed depending on the content of your presentation. Go back to the Slide Master, click on the root slide and select Master Layout on the Slide Master tab. You can see the placeholder items such as title, text, date, footer, and slide number. These act like fields in a form, empty areas where our content will go when we actually fill in our presentation. Let's go ahead and customize the font size and color of the title placeholder in the master layout. This will change all title placeholders in the Slide Master accordingly. We can further customize the placeholders on the individual layouts by adding new ones, such as for subtitles, or changing all their usual attributes: fill color and outline color, text properties, bulleting and numbering, indenting, and even shape, so we can have a circle or arrow placeholder. All these changes will be reflected in our presentation on slides that use the respective layout. Now that we have customized our layout, we can use it in our presentation. Close the Slide Master, create a new slide, and then on the Home tab, click Layout and select the desired appearance of the new slide. we can change between layouts and the content will automatically fit. You can even define multiple slide masters within a single PowerPoint document to use different looks in different sections of your presentation. One odd request was to define a color theme with more standard colors than PowerPoint allows, so we did 2 masters with similar layouts but different colors. PowerPoint will discard unused slide masters. To counter that, select the master layout and click Preserve. You can save your theme by going to Themes, Save Current Theme. The main advantage of themes is that the same theme can also be used in Word and Excel, providing a set of documents with a unified look and feel. You can also save the presentation as a template, which contains color, fonts, and slide layouts. Setting up a good slide master and following ensures you will end up with a consistent and good-looking presentation that will be easy to retemplate in the future.